Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are doing some simple red holiday nails. We don't really need too much for this nail set, so we are just going to get right into this. I'm sizing out the nail tips and then I'm going to glue them on with some base coat. Then I'm trimming them down to like a medium length and I'm going to reshape the nail tips and then remove the shine from them. Next, I'm going to add on a layer of base coat. And we are going to start on the Polygel application. So I'm using this color from Makartt. It's called French Press and it's a very pretty nude color. So we're using that today and all of the nails are just going to be this one color. So I'm just starting off with a big bead of polygel right down the middle of the nail and then I'm going to smooth that out. I'm using my really big Polygel brush, which just makes everything so much faster. Smoothing out the nails is so much easier. So this nail design, I really liked it. I liked how it was just so girly and perfect for the holidays. I think the red was so pretty with the white nail charms, like the pearls and the bows. I just thought it was such a cute design. I definitely had to do this nail set sometime this month. So this design was very simple. I think if you wanted them to be more beginner friendly, you could definitely make them shorter and maybe leave off some of the nail art that I added later on that you'll see. And it could definitely be a quicker, easier nail set. But I thought these would be really cute as a medium length. So it makes these nails just a little bit more advanced. So this is also a little bit of a quicker video. It's not as long as my normal videos. I think I finished these nails very fast. I don't know exactly how long these took me, but on this day that I was filming this nail set, I actually did a nail set before it and I got like halfway through and I just basically didn't like how the nails were looking, so I took them off and I like took a little break and then I came back and I decided to do these nails instead. So I wanted a nail set that was simpler and something that I could definitely do because on the nail set before this, I didn't really have a plan. I didn't really have like an inspiration picture, so I just started the nails and I was like, yeah, whatever they turn out to be, like I'll just do whatever comes to mind, and it just didn't work out. And that's why I normally do nails that I have an inspiration picture for, because I just like that little extra guidance for the nail set and it's like reassurance that the nail set is a good design. And it's like I just have to plan out the nail sets in order for me to know that they're actually gonna look good. Normally the nail sets that I make up the designs for, I have to like draw them out and like plan everything. But when I just start a nail set without any direction or really any idea of what I want, then it just never turns out right. But basically that's my reason for doing a more simple nail set and that this video is a little bit short. I was just trying to speed through these nails and get it done with. So the polygel application didn't take us long at all. I think it took me 25 minutes to apply all of the polygel, which is very fast. It's totally the brush, and I have seriously seen a difference since using this new brush. So we're just going to get reshaping the nails, and shaping doesn't even take me very long either because I've been trying to make my nails thinner, so shaping doesn't really take me as long. And once the nails are shaped, we're going to move on to the nail art. And for this nail art, I'm using this red gel polish. And all of the nails are going to be red French tips. So I personally really love French tips. I think it's such a classy and pretty nail design. French tips just make me feel a certain way. I just love the design. It makes the nails look so pretty. And for them to be red, it's just like extra pretty. I love the color red. So these are already just so cute. And for the French tip, I didn't want these to be super deep. So normally when I do French tips, I like to make them like start right at the cuticle area, and that's just the French tips that I like. But for these, since they're going to be outlined in those little pearls, I wanted the smile line to be a little bit wider so that way I feel like the pearls could fit on them better. And since I was making the French tip a little bit different than what I'm used to, it took me a few tries for some of the nails. Like I had to take off some gel polish and restart in certain areas just because I don't normally do French tips that are this wide. And I don't normally stop the French tip color where I did in this video. So it was a little bit different for me. So the next thing I'm doing, I decided to add some snowflakes onto the nails. We've been doing snowflake nail art in literally all my past videos now. It's just such an easy nail art and it just adds such cute detail, and it definitely confirms like these are winter nails. So I'm adding one on the pointer finger and one on the ring finger. Then we're just going to top coat all the nails and add on the nail decoration. So on this pointer finger, it was actually supposed to start off with the bow nail charm, but I got too excited for the pearls and I just started doing the pearls on this finger, and I didn't realize until after I already cured it, so I just had to keep going along with that pattern. And I purposely drew the snowflakes on these nails because I wanted the snowflake to be with the bow, because I knew that when I put the bow on, it would probably look a little bit empty, the nail. But you know, here we are with the pearls and the snowflake on the same nail. That's not what I really wanted, but it is what it is. And I got these new pearls from Amazon. It's like this huge container of different sized pearls. I do have pearls, but they kind of have like an iridescent color to them, and I didn't want that for this. I wanted these to be like a nice classic color pearl. So this was a good container to have because it just has so many sizes and the color is so cute of these. And I also got another bag of like mixed charms, and it was like a white pack, so these bows were in that charm pack. Now we're just going to finish these with some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. Like I said, I'm sorry this is a little bit more of a shorter video. It was totally because I did a set before this and that one didn't work out, so I was a little bit overdoing nails that day, but I'm kind of glad we ended up doing this design. It really is so cute, and I just love how festive it is, and like the red and the white bow combination is so cute. I love that part. So this was just a cute and simple red winter nail set. I highly recommend this nail design, and I think it's kind of different than what I normally see for a Christmas nail set, so that's why I really like this design. Let me know in the comments if you would recreate these nails, and do you like the bow nail better or do you like the pearls with the snowflake? Let me know in the comments. I think I like the bow nails. Like I said, something about the combination of the red and the bow, that's just my favorite part. Make sure you stay tuned for next week. I will be posting a video every day for a week leading up to Christmas. We have so many cool winter nail designs coming, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!